What is a Chapter 7 bankruptcy? Well, Chapter 7 bankruptcy is a liquidation. It's sometimes called a straight bankruptcy. And your goal is to obtain a discharge. A discharge is a court order that says that certain debts are no longer collectible. You should approach a Chapter 7 in three parts. Part 1 is, do you qualify? There is something called a means test that will measure your income and expenses to determine whether or not you have the ability to repay your debt or whether or not you're entitled to a discharge. Part 2 is, will you lose any of your property as part of the bankruptcy? The overwhelming number of Chapter 7 cases, people do not lose any property at all because all their property is exempt. And knowing the exemptions is the key to getting you through that process. And then the third step is, what will the world look like once Chapter 7 is over? What debts will be discharged and what debts will not be discharged? As a general rule, your student loans are non-dischargeable, child and spouse support is non-dischargeable, and debts incurred with fraud are non-dischargeable. In some cases, taxes can be discharged, in some cases they cannot. So what you really need to do is consult an attorney that knows the rules and knows the exceptions to the rules. I'm Mike Cook. Give me a call, 619-299-2199.